Understandably, you should not fight with your boyfriend or your girlfriend if you are in a relationship.
What are the preparations that you think is applicable naman dito sa generation?
Number one, you must be mentally prepared. Importante yan. Number two, you have to be spiritually prepared also to take the bar, no? Number three, physically, how can you take the exam kung may sakit ka? You're under the weather, di ba? And number four, you have to be psychologically prepared also. You have to ask guidance, di ba? You have to pray, you have to go to the church. Understandably, you should not fight with your boyfriend or your girlfriend if you are in a relationship. Anything that will affect you psychologically, you have to do away with it as much as possible. Go over your own notes. No? Because it's easier to review using your notes when you were already in law school. Another preparation would be you have to read the newspaper, current events. That's my suggestion, no? You can read it through your iPad or your computer, no? Yung mga online publications. Maybe some of the questions that may be asked will be taken from current events. Don't stress yourself too much na if it's a day before. Read only leisurely and to the extent that you're not stressing yourself too much. Reserve your energy for the following day, which is the bar exam day. How will you be able to sleep at night, which I should have done? Probably I should have exercised, went to the gym probably so that I will have a good sleep a night before the bar exam. The aim should be high. You aim that you top the bar, but if you're not able to make it in the top, then the next best thing would be you will be passing the bar. Hindi ka dapat kakabahan doon. You should feel excited that finally, after several years of studying, and after several months of preparation, this is already it. This is your time to shine and your time to show to the examiners and to the Supreme Court that you are worthy to become a lawyer.